Good morning, folks. Bob Rogers here with Hawaiian Trike, and you know, it's a good morning to get out. I'm just going to do a short ride today. I was very fortunate. The doctor gave me his blessing. I rode about a week before I met with him, but he says, "Hey, okay, I can ride my trike. I can even go swimming in the pool." So I'm excited. Today we're going to do a couple experiments. I want to take the drone out and give it some tests. The last week when we were out, it gave me some error messages and I wasn't too sure. By the way, that's the Mormon temple there. So we're gonna try a little experiment over at the beach park close to my house and see if it works okay. So hang on tight. We'll get this drone up in a second and let's see what we got.
Won't you take me home, wrap me in your warm, tender arms? Past the statue of Jesus and the blue neon lights. We dined on mango margaritas, ate lobsters as they fell from the sky. Of New York City, patron saint of my troubles and the cure for my wandering ways. You're the woman who loves me as I trip on my brain, stumbling, falling in love with you twice in one day. Why do you cry when I just have to go? You know that I was born to fly. Why? Whoa, whoa. Sweet Henrietta, tropical shore. As we walk hand in hand, I hear the ocean's deafening roar. She said, hoop, 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 Charlie, it's good to have you home. She said, hoop, 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 Charlie, it's good to have you home. Lucy loves me, this I know, keeps my heart all aglow. It's alright and it's okay, Lucy loves me every day. Lucy lies there, Lucy dreams, long hair flowing like a stream. Moments slowly slip away, passion flows as two lips play. Shakes the sun and comes the rain, holds my hand to ease the pain. Running wild with the wind, open doors and calls me in.
Well, we got some good footage on that drone flight. I'm quite happy with that, that it didn't have a problem. I was at Turtle Bay last week and it said emergency, emergency. I said, I don't know what's going on. All I know is it froze. And I said, well, it's a good thing it wasn't over the water when it froze. And I was able to retrieve it, take it home, cleaned it up, did a couple test flights, and all is working. But even more fun is coming out here along this coast. It's just gorgeous. And this is kind of my favorite little ride. I do this probably 3 times a week. It's about 11 miles from my home that's down there, round trip. And I come out here and I like the solitude, I like looking at the waves. Yes, it's hard sometimes because I want to be out there, but it's cool. And this is a great little segment of Laie. This is Malaekahana State Park, and this is Castle Surf Break. We've been here before, but I don't know if you remember that. Anyway, all is good. Those surfers out there, I don't know if you can see them. They're probably too far away, but that's where I surf. And Doc said maybe 2 months. Oh well, he says I can't put pressure on my wrist. I can't, when you get up on a surfboard, you hang onto the surfboard. Well, I can't do that for a couple more months. But I'm just happy to be able to go swimming and ride my trike. This is a great spot. I hope you enjoyed our little tour today of Malaekahana, and thanks for letting me try my drone out and get it up there and test things out. Appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next tour. Be healthy, be safe, and most of all, be happy. You guys take care. Aloha.
Lucy loves me